A sleek skyline hums with data as the dawn of AI-accelerated coding enters the frame. In 2025, software engineering faces a quake so powerful it redraws the map of what code even means. Meet the new era where Linus Torvalds and DHH mirror Karpathy's warning and AI begins to write parts of the software itself. Agents, sub-agents, prompts, and contexts form a programmable hierarchy that redefines how a program is built. In this new landscape, the old map of software development dissolves into orchestration of intelligent tools. A mental model shift happens as the brain power of silicon outpaces human cognition 6 mo times faster, reshaping the battlefield of logic. Theo explains that 70 to 90% of code in teams can be AI-generated, not merely assisted or referenced. We trace the timeline from functions to modules to entire features, observing a relentless acceleration. The question shifts from, can AI replace programmers, to how we design and manage AI-driven work. Karpathy's tweet envisions a global, abstract layer where tools and plugins become the new infrastructure of coding. History teaches us through abstraction's ascent, from machine code to cloud native, and now to orchestrated AI programming. The traditional linear software process unhooks and developers become conductors of AI agents. We must design and feed the AI with proper context, memories, and workflows to realize reliable outcomes. Karpathy's words crystallize a need for a global mental model that handles the randomness and evolving nature of AI entities. If you still navigate with an old map, you'll find a roadless landscape where adaptability is the only compass. The industry's icons began embracing AI, signaling a systemic shift from skepticism to imperative adoption. Shane Legg explains human cognition cannot match industrial-scale computation, underscoring why software leads the singularity. The physical gulf between carbon-based and silicon-based systems is a brutal inevitability, feeding the shift to ASI. Andrej Karpathy warns that the field has reached an inflection point where the toolbox will not revert to old norms. 5 practical steps show the path. Integrate AI code review, push AI's limits, read its thinking, document agent rules, and orchestrate multiple agents. Step 2 is zero-risk integration of AI code review tools into PR pipelines for immediate quality gains. Step 1 challenges you to push AI to perform a task in minutes that used to take days to discover its boundaries. Step 2 invites you to watch AI think in plan mode, tracing its planning and reasoning step. Step 3 builds Agent.md as a living rulebook, mutating rules as the code evolves. Step 4 teaches orchestration, coordinating multiple agents into a symphony of automated problem-solving. Management must avoid locking teams to outdated models or risk losing top talent to speed and capability gaps. The cost of inaction weighs heavier than any model price when talent and time slip away. The ongoing acceleration means production-grade models arrive with weekly improvements and halving inference costs every 8 weeks. Cursor, Claude Code, and Windsurf become the new productivity standard rather than experimental tools. The takeaway is clear. As AI catches up, the question's not can, but how fast will you adapt? A dramatic pivot unfolds. Linus, DHH, and Karpathy together illustrate industry-wide acceleration toward AI fluency. The narrative returns to code as pure logic, where compilers act as perfect referees, enforcing correctness without ambiguity. We're entering a future where software is orchestrated rather than handcrafted, and success favors the agile and AI-enabled. A global shift demands new governance, Agent.md rules, context governance, and memory retention across projects. The 5-step playbook ends with a higher order. Skilled humans coordinating the AI symphony rather than coding every note by hand. The science underpinning this shift is stark. Silicon clocks are orders of magnitude faster than biological neurons. As programming enters the ASI era, those who master AI-driven workflows gain a supercharged edge. Karpathy's metaphor of aliens tossing a powerful tool without a manual captures the urgency of learning to wield AI now. The upcoming software rules are not a minor rewrite, but a fundamental reinvention of the craft itself. By embracing AI agents and multi-agent orchestration, developers become architects of intelligent collaborations. And so we ask, are you ready to join the vanguard, or risk becoming obsolete in a world that moves at light speed? The 9-level seismic shift has already begun, and every line of code bears the tremor of change. This is not prophecy, but a present tense of practice: code review, experimentation, agent documentation, and orchestration. The closing frame imagines a future where the most capable programmer is the one who choreographs AI with wisdom and discipline.